Welcome to NC Live's Color Contrast, a quick look video short. Which version of this flyer do you think is easier to read? Color contrast is the difference in brightness between the text and the background. It's a key principle of accessibility that benefits people with low vision, color blindness, or even those just reading in bright sunlight on a mobile device. The purpose of this video is to show how good color contrast helps a wide range of people and to demonstrate a simple way to check your own designs. According to the requirements, text and images of text need a contrast ratio of at least 4 to 5 to 1. Exceptions include large text, incidental text, and logos. Here you can see some examples of 4 to 5 to 1 ratio, which is the minimum requirement. Some of the text is still hard to read in places. Text effects can also affect perceived contrast. Think of 4 to 5 to 1 as a starting place. The higher the contrast, the more accessible it is. It's also important to keep in mind that color cannot be used as the only visual means of conveying information, indicating an action, prompting a response, or distinguishing a visual element. Next, we will go over how to use a color checker in Canva to make flyers more accessible. To use a color checker, grab the hex codes for the colors from the document and input them into the website for the contrast checker to see if they're compatible. If the contrast ratio fails to meet the requirements, you can use the color picker and the lightness to change the contrast until it meets the requirements. You could then use the hex code from the new color in your document. Canva has a built-in accessibility checker that you can use to make this process easier. We hope you have enjoyed learning how to take a previously inaccessible flyer and make it into an accessible flyer for your library. Be sure to check out these resources and other resources available on nclive.org.